Entiendo. I do not understand. No entiendo. Our next one is I don't know. I don't know. The first one was I don't understand. No entiendo. Our next one is I don't know. Very good. I heard somebody saying it. Look at your cards. No sé. But there is an accent mark on the E. No sé. Our next word. Thank you. How do I say thank you in Spanish? Gracias. 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 Okay. Please. How do I say please in Spanish? Por favor. Quiet. How do I say quiet in Spanish? Jay is killing it. Everyone else? Silencio. Silencio. Okay.
Don't do that, Maxwell.
Our next word. Attention.
Attention.
How do I say it in Spanish?
Attention.
Atención. We use that S sound instead of a T sound. You say attention. You know? A T-I-O-N. It's not a T sound. I like my way better. Atención. Makes sense. The C makes an S sound. Atención. Alrighty, guys. Repeat. Repita. Repitan. Repitan.
I got 2 left.
If you get stuck, the answers are still on the board. You can still look up and see what the last words were. If you missed one,
Attention. I won.
yes. Yes. C. Very good. S. I with an accent mark over the S-I. C.
No. Sit down. No, sit still.
Can you tell me what does it mean? What does it mean?
No.
Look at your papers. It's got to be one of those words. ¿Qué significa? What does it signify? What does it mean?
Bingo.
Yay! ¿Qué significa? Hey, keep yours. Oh,
You
she's
just
already
took
knocked
that.
him out. Kick her out.
No, take that.
Leave this view. All right, let me do one more. Look.
Venerous.
I say look.
Miracle.
Miren. Look. Miren, like a mirror. No, you need 5, buddy. You need 5. Listen, guys. Listen. No. I don't mean listen to me. I mean the next word is listen. How do I say listen in Spanish?
Venerous.
You don't remember listen? That's escuchen. ESCUCHEN. Escuchen.
You do not stop.
John. Okay, I have some friends who knocked off all their beans. It's okay. Just look at the screen. Look, we'll go backwards. Escuchen. Miren. ¿Qué significa? Sí. Repitan. Atención. Silencio. Por favor. Gracias. No sé. Atención. So that's all the ones we had so far, and I should have one more winner out there. Look at your cards again. No entiendo, I don't understand. No sé, I don't know. Gracias, thank you. Por favor, please. Silencio, silence. Atención, attention. Repitan, repeat. Sí, yes. ¿Qué significa? What does it mean? Miren, look. Escuchen, listen. I really don't have anybody. Okay, here's the next one then. Come over here. How do I say come over here in Spanish?
Venerous.
Very good. Jay's paying attention. Then, acá, or then aquí. Yay, finally.